Hey world, how you doing? This is how a refrigeration guy puts air in his tires. So this is dry nitrogen tank with the regulator. I got about 1200 on the high side and about 300 regulated. Refrigeration hose, 50-foot refrigeration hose, and down to the truck tire. I got a little inflator thingy, and that's how I do it. And I got a deal like this, and then I just take my, I already pulled the cap off, so my tires are supposed to be 50 pounds on the front and 80 in the rear. And let's see if I can find the damn gauge. And I'm 10 pounds low on my tire pressure. So I just saw the tire was low this morning. So, and that's how you air up tires. Lickety split. Instead of going to the gas station with those pumper things that don't work for beans. Alright, yep. It's a big ass tire. Let's see where I can, gotta find the damn gauge thing. But come on thing, focus. Alright, I'm at 53. Take a little out. But just wanna let you guys know. This is the hot ticket for if you're doing, if you want to air up your tires, you just do this, and works cool, man. You can do all your tires. Takes about 5 minutes. You can do the whole truck. All right, take care. Click a like on the video, subscribe. Take care, easy. Bye. It's all done. Tires are all filled up. 80 in the rear, 50 in the front. 52 I put on the front, but 80 in the rears. That's what's supposed to have. Took all of 10 minutes, man. This is a hot ticket. You just run the refrigeration hose around here. Boom. Just get some good pressure in your tank. 300. Put 200 or 300 on the regulated side, and went down. The gauge went down from 800 to from 1250 down to 800. So it doesn't use that much nitrogen. So there's the nitrogen. I'll see if I can turn the phone upside down so you can see it. Here's where it is, nitrogen. It's the good stuff. Alright, works good, man. Alright, take her easy, and thanks for watching. Click a like on the video if you could, and subscribe. Alright, take her easy. Bye. This box also works real good here in the back of the truck. Hey guys, I also wanted to let you know that yeah, these your Schrader tools will work fine for tightening the valve stem on your tires. So you can use the same tool that you use to do Schraders. Yeah, you should check your tires valve stems too. I don't know if the Schraders that we use for refrigeration are the exact same or not. I haven't gotten into that part of it, but if anybody knows, you can let me know. Probably are. I don't know. But this is the tire gauge I use. Works real good for my truck. Found all my tires were down 10 pounds pressure. So it's been, I think I got new tires September 2016. So it's been over a year since I checked the tire pressure. I've been a bad boy. So anyways, yeah, they all dropped equally, 10 pounds pressure. in a year, and September, October, November, December, January, February. So about a year and 5 months, year and 4 months, year and something like that. So right around there. So probably check your tires probably every 3 months. I'm gonna start doing it. So all right, take her easy. Thanks for watching. Click like on the video if you could, and subscribe. All right, take her easy. Oh, maybe I'll show you what this thing looks like. Hold out. This thing goes like, let me see. It's goes to 120 psi. So I'm using the 50 to 80 range. So it's right in the middle of your range. So that's what you always want your gauge or whatever you're using to be. If it's 0 to 100, if you're checking 50 to 75, that's the most accurate part of a gauge, is the mid 2/3 of the gauge. So it's pretty cool. It also does kPa, which I believe is kilopascals, for you European guys in Europe. All right, take her easy. Click like on the video and subscribe if you could. All right, take care. Bye.